Morning everyone, this is day 4 of our Florida trip. This is Cocoa Beach behind us. The sun's come up. Probably see the beach, I'm not sure. It's behind us there anyway. I'm sure that folks out walking, swimming, or we're doing whatever. We're getting ready to go eat breakfast, and then this is our last day here. We're moving on and heading to Sanibel Island. Talk to you later.
Alright, we ended up on the 1A1 from Cocoa Beach, headed to Fort Patrick Air Force Base, which was along the way. We passed housing and then the base, the airport, and then more housing. We're on a causeway. We may be headed toward 95 to hook up with the interstate again. I'm not real sure. There's a dry dock for the boats, so we're gonna get ready to go over some water. And they have electric lines down that way, or some kind of lines. It's pretty cool. This one was Banana River. Okay. We just entered Okeechobee city limits. We're on State Road 70. We left I-95 and hit State Road 70, and I'm not sure how far we're taking 70, but we're still on our way to Sanibel, and we're maybe like 2.5 hours away, and we're still having a good time, and we're still talking politely to each other.
So far.
So far.
Coming up on I-75 south to Naples. We're like 35 miles from Sanibel Island.
And gas is $2.35 over at Sunoco. I don't know the last time I saw a Sunoco station. They talk about it in NASCAR. But,
yeah, not many down here, don't seem like. We're getting ready to drive fast.
I like to drive fast.
I knew you were going to say that. Fort Myers, Florida. There's a couple of condos or motels probably way over there. About 15 miles from Sanibel Island. I think we found the ocean. Right over there, I think.
Very pretty place.
If it's not, it's going an awful long way for a lake. And now we're going to the toll booths up here as soon as we get through this light. And then we go over a bridge.
Causeway.
Yeah.
What are we going to use?
How much do we need?
I think it's 6.
Okay, we paid our toll, so that's getting us to Sanibel Island. Boat.
Oh, this is a long
Yeah.
bridge. There's still more bridge to go.
Swimming, just like a beach right there. They're picking up shells. I see them.
I think I read somewhere that they're called stoopers because they're stooping over so often to pick up the shells.
Yeah. One of them charged $6 to get over this. Took a lot of money to build.
In 1 mile,
Yeah.
turn right onto Perwinkle Way.
Was it like 2 miles long?
At least, I would say. There's a Sanibel Island sign.
Oh yeah?
There's a little small sign.
I missed it.
a little one too. Look like ice cream only. She sells seashells.
Seashells, yeah. Wonder if that's where Larry ended up.
Turn left onto Donnock Street.
I wondered if he was going to pull out.
In half a mile, the destination is on your left. 1231 Middle Gulf Drive. The destination is on your left. 1231 Middle Gulf Drive.
It doesn't always stop.
That's it.
Straight ahead.
Yeah, 1231 says it right there. I don't know if that's the entrance or not, but I guess
Arrived.
$100 restaurant.
Guess you check in up here.
There's another one over there too.
Well, we think this is it. Following Rita, we're going to the beach. Sun's right over there.
It's going to be difficult for a sunset, possibly.
Yeah, but it'll be good on the sunrise.
Maybe.
There you go.
If we're awake at that time.
Sitting here, Sanibel Island. The resort is back there behind us, right in there. Well, we made it to Sanibel Island. This was our first day here. We'll be here one more day, so be sure to check back for that video. Until then, take care. Hey, if you liked this video, let us know by hitting that like button. And please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate it.